Could your next meal be printed? Uncovering the future of 3D food printing, I am Dr. Mulu Ayele, lead scientist with 24 years experience in pharmaceutical, biotech, and agricultural and food sectors. As CEO of HealthMed and FarmBizz Precision Analytics, I apply genomics, analytics, and AI to address critical issues in health, agriculture, and nutrition, including microbiome. Today, let's explore how 3D food printing is transforming the way we think about food production and consumption. This innovative technology uses additive manufacturing techniques where food-grade materials like chocolate, dough, or pureed foods are layered to create customized and intricate designs. Guided by software, 3D printers craft edible creations with unmatched precision, blending culinary artistry with cutting-edge technology. It's not just about aesthetics. 3D food printing offers personalization, sustainability, and creativity that could redefine how we prepare and experience food. One of the most exciting applications is personalized nutrition. Imagine meals specifically tailored to your dietary needs. For instance, a diabetic could enjoy low-sugar desserts, or an athlete could consume protein-packed snacks designed for recovery. In healthcare, 3D printing is already being used to create pureed meals for patients with swallowing difficulties. These meals not only meet nutritional needs, but are also visually appealing, making them easier for patients to consume. This customization extends beyond health. The technology is reshaping the fine dining industry. Renowned chefs are using 3D printers to craft visually stunning dishes that elevate culinary experiences. Devices like the Foodini allow anyone to experiment with intricate food designs, making gourmet creativity accessible even at home. Sustainability is another crucial benefit. 3D food printing minimizes waste by using exact ingredient measurements and opens the door to using alternative food sources like algae or insect protein. These ingredients, often overlooked in traditional cooking, are highly nutritious and resource efficient. For example, companies are using 3D printing to create plant-based meat alternatives that mimic the texture and flavor of real meat, offering a sustainable solution to traditional livestock farming. In addition to reducing waste, 3D printing can localize food production. This could be a game changer for addressing food insecurity in resource-scarce areas. By enabling the use of unconventional, locally available ingredients, it helps reduce the carbon footprint associated with food transportation and distribution. However, while 3D food printing holds immense promise, it comes with challenges. High costs are a significant barrier. The printers and their specialized ingredients are often expensive, limiting accessibility for small-scale farmers, eateries, or average households. There are also concerns about the nutritional quality of printed food. Critics worry that in prioritizing aesthetics, some meals might lack the essential nutrients or taste of traditionally prepared dishes. Cultural concerns also arise. Food has deep cultural and emotional roots, and some worry that relying on technology could erode traditional culinary practices and authenticity. Furthermore, there are practical challenges, like the steep learning curve for using the technology and ensuring food safety. Regulatory frameworks are still catching up, raising questions about how to standardize and certify 3D printed food. Despite these hurdles, supporters highlight the long-term potential. By combining precise resource management with innovative food design, 3D food printing aligns with global efforts to combat hunger and promote sustainability. It's also redefining how we think about food as art, health, and an essential resource. Take precision applications as an example. Drones equipped with multispectral imaging cameras can detect stress factors like pests or diseases in crops, enabling farmers to address issues early. Similarly, Soil sensors provide real-time data on moisture and nutrient levels, ensuring precise water and fertilizer use. These technologies overlap with 3D printing's principles, where precision and efficiency are at the forefront of innovation. As the technology evolves, it could play a larger role in areas like food security and disaster relief. Imagine a scenario where portable 3D printers produce nutritious meals in areas hit by natural disasters or famine. By creating meals on site, this technology could save lives while reducing logistical challenges. The possibilities for creativity are endless. In the future, we might see more households equipped with 3D food printers, crafting custom meals tailored to their preferences or dietary requirements. The technology could even revolutionize food transparency, offering precise data on the origin, composition, and nutritional value of each meal. 3D food printing challenges us to rethink our relationship with food. It invites us to consider how technology can address global issues like hunger and waste, while also reshaping our dining experiences. From personalized nutrition and sustainable practices to new culinary possibilities, 3D food printing is not just a technological marvel, it's a vision of a smarter, more sustainable food system. As we look to the future, 3D food printing holds the potential to transform food production and consumption, offering innovative solutions to some of the biggest challenges we face today. With continuous improvement and wider adoption, it could redefine how we eat, cook, and think about food in ways we're only beginning to imagine.